Lovelace family here, and today we're checking out Cucina del Capitano, the included free lunch item at the Italian restaurant. We're going to show you the process and tell you what we thought about the lunch food. Is it as good as the nighttime food? We're going to tell you in this video, but this is the included free option. Thank you. All right, this is Cucina del Capitano for lunch. Free. It's the pasta bar. We're going pasta bar, right?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Pasta bar, yes.
I'm sorry.
Yes. We're Asian tonight. We're coming back for Gigi's. Thank you. We get to see people out laying out, too. To see people laying out. All right, so what do you think about it being a little different in here than where you go up and they give you the beeper or whatever it's called?
This is very nice. It is.
Yeah, they come to your
I love how you're allowed to like circle and you customize it.
Yeah.
I like that.
I like that word, customize. Good job, Anthony. So background looks good on you guys. We also have a view of people laying out on the deck. That's a little odd. You can't see it probably in here.
Nice view.
But I like this better where they actually wait on you instead of you go to them.
Yeah,
so
it's nice.
It's pretty cool, huh? All right, so how this works is I'm going to show you the pasta bar menu, and you select what you want, and then they bring it to your table, which is different from other other older ships where you have to go back up and get it. They seat you down here, and then you pick what you want, and it's usually good on other cruise ships. We're going to try this pasta bar, Captain's Pasta Bar on the Carnival Horizon. All right, the one on the left is the online version of the menu. The one on the right is the actual pasta bella at the restaurant. The difference is you can order wine and beer at the table on the one they give you. All right, we're going to try out some of this bread. It's a little dry, but let's try it out. It's got rosemary on top of it. So that bread, I think it's rosemary on top of it. Season is really good. Again, totally different from other cruise ships we've been on, where you go fill out the form, turn it in, and they give you a beeper or buzzer to come back and get it. It's pretty darn good. All right, Michelle's trying out the lasagna, the meat lasagna. It's good?
Mm-hmm. I like lasagna better than the Alfredo.
Like the lasagna better than Alfredo?
Mm-hmm.
All right, Anthony, how's yours?
It's really good.
All right, so I'm going to try the meat lasagna out. And I can tell you what the biggest thing I like about the pasta bar and the meat lasagna is it's like beef. It's not, I mean, hamburger's beef too, but it's like roast beef instead of
Shredded beef.
Yeah, shredded beef instead of ground hamburger. Now let's go in for a first bite. That's very, very good. Let me show you all this meat that's in here too. Look at all the meat they piled in this lasagna. This meat lasagna, I cut it in half. The cheese is loaded. There you go. All that meat on there, the lasagna, pasta, cheese. That's such a good free option. I don't know, I may like it even better than Blue Iguana now. And it's right there with guys, so tell us what you think on this. We're going to finish this meal up and then give you our final thoughts. So we have finished up. Anthony's still picking at his a little bit. He's doing a really good job on it. I thought this meal was excellent. It was as good as some of the paid meals we've had. The lasagna had a ton of meat on it, as you saw. The linguine was not as good to me as the lasagna, but it was still very good and edible. Anthony got his broccoli in it, which looks good. The Italian sausage in mine was really good. There was just a lot of taste to it in this whole meal. So, as a free option, the Captain's Pasta Bar on the Carnival Horizon is a must-do. It may be my favorite free food option we've had on this ship. So definitely check it out. Guys Burgers up are pretty high too, but this is really good. So what'd you think about your meal?
That lasagna is really good. It's different than any kind of lasagna that I've ever had, because usually at home it's made with hamburger meat and not like beef roast or shredded beef. But it's very flavorful. It's really, really good.
Okay, we'll slide to Anthony. What's your thoughts, Ant?
It was delicious.
See, this is what she's got left.
Yeah, I'm incredibly
Which is not
full.
very much, so he did a really good job on his. So you thought it was really good overall, Anthony?
It was really good.
What made it good?
It was delicious. I'd say the broccoli in it, and the sauce, and how creamy it was.
All right, cool deal. Thumbs up from both of y'all then?
Yeah,
Thumbs up.
All right, so let's keep this real here. Is this authentic Italian? No, it's not near as good as Cucina at nighttime, but it is a good included option during the daytime, especially if you got kids. One of our favorite included options on a cruise ship. Definitely check this out if you're on the Carnival Horizon, but even more so, check out the paid option at night.